Did you get your Jordan 13 Cherry Reds or True Reds? Let's talk about it.
Yeah. Mike T's in the shop when the city sleep. Blank shirts pile high, yeah, the grind that deep. From idea to print, he control every step. On game, free, no gatekeep. Breaking down plays for the ones tryna eat. Started with a vision and a plan that stuck. Now crispy Prince dot shop, blowing up off trucks. Mike T's press hot, never cool. Press king, yeah, that's the truth. From the shop to the screen, he teach non-stop. Crispy Prince dot shop, let the order stop. Let the orders pop. Let the orders pop. Let the orders pop. Let the orders pop.
True Reds released around March 14th, 2026. And when they had first dropped, I was thinking, man, they're going to fly off the shelves immediately. How am I going to be able to count myself a pair? Well, I was able to run across Foot Locker in my hometown city, and I was able to actually grab them. Now, they weren't as scarce as online made them seem. I say all of that to say this. Sometimes when you do go out to get your shoes, you have to get out there super early. Being that this was March 14th that the shoes actually dropped, I didn't cop my pair until I got mine March 27th. Let's take a look at the shoe. Now, I've heard a lot of people online say that this red is a little bit better and a little bit more vibrant than the original red that they had that came out originally around. And they were saying that it was horrible. Well, it wasn't horrible, but back then they would have loved to have a brighter red like they do now. Me, this is my first actual Jordan 13. I don't have any in the collection. I always wanted this shoe, and when I was younger, I seen a whole lot of people rocking this shoe. With alongside a lot of other colorways, the black on black ones. I believe there was a black and green pair. There was like a all over like patent leather on one. Fire different collabs that went with the Jordan 13. Me, I'm just personally, I'm happy to have the original, the true OG colorway, and I can't wait to rock them. Question to you: is this a cop or a drop? Gotta say, I do like it though. It's fire. As far as the fit go,
2026, I'm coming for what's mine. It's all mine. Manifesting my dreams, my goals, and more 2026 make me yours. Cause I'm going into you with a clear mind. This year, I want it all that's mine. 2026, I'm coming for what's mine. It's all mine. 2026, I'm coming for what's mine. 2026, I'm coming for what's mine. It's all mine. 2026, I'm coming for manifesting my dreams, my goals, and more 2026 make me yours. Cause I'm going into you with a clear mind. This year, I want it all that's mine. New dreams, new goals, let's get it crashed in. Negative thinking ain't something I'm bringing back in. 2026, I'm cooking up a fix, getting my health right and my pockets tight. No procrastinating, I'm living my dreams. This year, getting my mind right, overcoming fear. Get into the chicken, watch it all add up. Anybody hating, up, get back. Cause I'm manifesting all things good. Getting closer to the Lord like I should. Getting back on my feet where I long. Overcoming mental blocks I held so long. Fixing my relationships, strengthening the bond work that's been needed for so long. Grinding to get better than I was before. I can't wait to see what this year has in store. Manifesting my dreams, my goals, and more 2026 make me yours. Cause I'm going into you with a clear mind. This year, I want it all that's mine.
So as you can probably tell from that, what should I say, the little shoe show I just gave you guys, it felt actually comfortable. I actually still have them on as I'm standing here talking to you. And by the way, you guys like the fit? It's actually going with the nice Jordan Cherry 13s. Your boy make these, and I do a lot of this on my YouTube channel. So if you would like to see how I pre-curate one of these to match up with maybe your favorite shoes or whatever other accessory that you would like to use, browse around. Your boy makes so much content on this channel. Not only do I do shoe reviews, I actually do tutorials. I take you to the show expo tours. I mean, the shoe shows that I actually go to. By the way, I have one coming up April 25th, Sneakermania. Sneakermania is in Canton, Ohio. This is our 2nd anniversary. Your boy has made all types of designs. I've done basically the advertisement work for it, as far as like the rocker stock Sneakermania signs and the t-shirts that I'm designing for them. So yeah, your boy is constantly on the grid. But y'all drop down in the comment section below and let me know, are you grabbing the Cherry 13s or was it a hard pass for you? By the way, these 2 months, March and April, they seem to have a lot of shoes that your boy just won't be copping. So I'm thinking of coming with another sneaker versus. Drop down in the comment section which 2 sneakers you would like your boy to review. And as always, y'all, let's grit. Catch you on the next one. Peace. Sneakermania, April 25th from 11 to 5. That's 11A to 5. It's a Saturday, y'all, and it's at the Executive Event Center here on West Tuss, right across the street from Dollar General. And the address is 5211 West Tuscarora Street. Right there's the Bolera. So if you guys are anything familiar within the Canton area, or if you're visiting the Canton area, stop by.